What's up, people? It's Kaleem here, aka the Bollywood Beginner, and we are back for another reaction video. It's good to be back with you guys. Thank you so much for all the suggestions, the comments, the likes for the last few days, subscribes. I actually hit my 1,000 subscriber mark about 5 days ago. So again, thank you so much, guys. It's been very humbling and yeah, just a crazy experience considering I've only opened the channel about 2.5 months ago, and the response I've had has been absolutely amazing. So I will continue to do my best for you guys and do as many videos and as many suggestions as I can. So thank you so much. It's much appreciated and much love. And let's get straight into this, shall we? This is actually another special edition in a way, because I'm doing something I've never done. I'm reacting to something I have never done before. I've done trailers, I've done songs, and now today I'm doing a commercial. Yeah, I know it sounds pretty out there, but I've had a few suggestions from a few people, and yeah, apparently this one is quite special, so I thought, why not? Let's just try something new. So shout out to Vijayanada N. Sorry, bro, if I didn't pronounce your name right. I do appreciate the suggestion. So yeah, let's get straight into this. This is called the Samsung India Service, and it also says it's the most watched video in 2017 apparently. So yeah, I was just intrigued to why so many people have watched this commercial. So let's go.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेंट करवाई है?
हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी बिल्कुल।
Wow. Beautiful scenery. It's a very smooth song, isn't it? I really like the song. Oh, so it's got this tree in front of them, right, okay. Where is this in India? Is it northern India? If any of you guys know, comment. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Look at these mountain ranges. I'm guessing it's in India.
लगता है चन्नू की बहनों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
Really, I love this instrument as well. It's very subtle in the background. Oh, she's blind. Wow.
आइए टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ, आप ठीक है।
Oh, what a cute little girl.
चलो जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है। जल्दी आराम से। अमित जी, रिमोट।
जी। Welcome back to Junior Indian Icon।
Wow, they're all blind. Wow. Oh, this is really sad.
हमारे हॉस्टल की है, और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
Wow, this is emotional, man.
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी-कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है। इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती है देश के कोने-कोने तक।
Wow, that's it. Wow, that was a lot more emotional than I thought it'd be. What a unique commercial. That was, yeah. I can see why now it was the most watched video in 2017. It has 210 million views, which is mad, especially for a commercial. But a beautiful commercial it was. First of all, the video, it's like the first half, the first like minute and a bit, obviously when the guy's going there, it's a bit comical, you have the comic relief, the tree in front of him, and then he has the goats blocking his pathway, so he's trying to do everything to get to this place. And then when he gets there, this little girl answers, and it turns out she's blind. And then the music stops, and it just becomes this like really heavy, emotional, beautiful scene, which kind of, yeah, it's almost like two separate commercials or two different films in the space of one. So it was like, and the music stopped as well, so it was like a silence when she brings a guy into the house and he's fixing the TV and stuff, and then you're wondering why she wants his TV so badly. And then she brings all the kids down and explains to him that her best friend is singing and she's also from the hostel, which just kind of ties it up beautifully. It's quite, I mean, yeah, it's just really, really well done. Really well filmed as well. Beautiful scenery, the mountains, just really nice. The music as well, I love the music in it. I think it was the music that made me more emotional. Obviously, seeing the children together and the blind children, it just kind of hits you quite hard. And yeah, and then you can just see they're all happy and dancing and stuff, which is, yeah, it's beautiful to watch. So yeah, that was really cool, really cool. I'm actually glad I did that. Because I was a bit apprehensive about doing a commercial. I know it's not technically like Bollywood, but I thought, I wanted to do it anyway. So I'm happy I did. And yeah, it was a beautiful part of the Bollywood, beautiful edition of the Bollywood Beginner, sorry. So yeah, I will be back again tomorrow for another reaction video. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you soon. So peace and love, guys. Take care. Bye.